I wouldn't say it's too bad.
Definitely sounds really nice.
I really want to hear it roll on the windows, but it's a little bit drizzling out right now.
Doing out there in the YouTube world. Today we got an awesome video for you guys. We put together a brand new Corvette C8 Z51 option package. We got it strapped on the dyno, ready to go. We got a lot of parts for this car. We got a whole shopping list. Pretty much if you were to go online and pick anything you wanted, it's pretty much what this car has. So if you see here, we got most of the parts laid out on the table. It's a carbon front lid. We got the carbon engine cover, we got carbon side skirts, we got the carbon door trims, we got the carbon canyons in the front bumper, we got a Corsa Performance cold air intake, we have the iBox sway bar kit, we also have a full titanium Valvetronic exhaust, we got little carbon accessories, to be honest with you. Sorry for the small interruption there. One of my guys had to use an air machine. As you can tell, we are still working. We are a full service shop. So yeah, in these boxes, I'm not even 100% sure what's in these boxes. So you're gonna have to watch the whole video to find out. This is Paragon Performance parts. We got something else here. So we got a lot of parts that are gonna be going on this car. Also, what's not here on the table or on the floor right now is gonna be the Vossen wheels going on this car. As always, shout out to Kevin at Vossen. Always gets us a good deal and gets us our wheels in a timely manner. So as you guys can see, the motor is no longer in the front. Chevy put the motor inside the back. It's actually a very neat design. You can see the motor in the back and you still have trunk space. Super cool. This car got two trunks, trunk in the front, trunk in the back, and the engine in the back. Alright, so we got this thing all strapped in on the dyno. Let's go ahead and start it up. I did a little bit of online research and seeing some things where I guess 1-to-1 may possibly be fourth gear. We'll give that a test. Make sure it's in manual mode so it doesn't shift gears on us. And we're off. So we're actually going to go to fourth gear and we're going to actually match the RPM on the dyno to the car right now. So now we're all matched up on the RPM. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready to make a hit on this car and see what it makes. You guys ready? Thing sounds awesome. Alright, so there we have it. On the first pull, the car made 451 horsepower to the wheels, and then it made 435 wheel torque. Chevy does claim 495 on this car, and they do claim 470 foot-pounds of torque. That is BHP, which is rated at the engine. In most cars, once you do put them on a dyno, you are going to lose a percentage to drivetrain loss. The said loss on a rear-wheel drive car like this probably be anywhere between like 12 to 15%. So it's not too far off. Yeah, so the mile per hour looks a little short. We're gonna go ahead and set it up for fifth gear and see what the mile per hour is there. And we might have a small increase in power. So we're in fifth gear now. I did read a lot of people do say on this 8-speed tranny there is no 1-to-1. And fifth gear does seem a little high, a mile an hour already, but let's go ahead and send it and see. You ready?
Ready.
Let's do it. We made 451 on the first pull in fourth gear. We made 450 on the second pull in fourth gear. And now we just made 452 wheel horsepower doing a 5th gear pull, which the mile an hour on that ended up going out to about 150.
Why is everything so sharp?
Seems like you're having fun there.
I'm having the best time of my life. I'm not wearing a wire or anything. I'm not a snitch. I won't snitch on you. Bro, I'm not snitching. No.